Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use reference and pointer in C++. References give new names to the existing variables, whereas pointers are variables that store addresses of the other variables. Both are very powerful, but need to be careful when utilizing them. This is a normal variable in C++. This name or identifier can be used to refer to this variable in other places. Whereas reference gives a new name or identifier to this existing variable. This name can be used interchangeably. And this is the syntax. On the other hand, pointer stores memory address of a variable. Memory address of a variable can be obtained using the address of operators. Dereferencing a pointer gives access to the content of the variable that the pointer is pointing to. Syntax. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.